Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2019 Fiat 500. So from any screen, it's on media at the moment. If we go to nav, click on nav, you'll see there it's saying let's go. Not a whole lot of other things to see. It's not really clear. If I click on nav again, does nothing. Click on the screen, it just enlarges it. But you've got these dots in the corner. If I click on the dots, you go to main menu, search, current route, my places, parking, petrol stations, TomTom. So we'll go back, we'll go to search. Click on search. Now it's coming up with address, name, points of interest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howalton, Preston, P, R, and then we need to go to numbers. Numbers is here. So we click on 1, 2, 3. So we'll PR5, 4, back to letters, E, A. That's it, PR5, 4EA. It's picking up Blackburn Road here. That's where we are. So we click on Blackburn Road, show on map, add cross, drive. Add crossroad, show on map. It's still not, you know, that simple, is it? We'll click on drive. Let's go. That's it. It's just showing it's 200 yards away, but it's not really that simple. You know, drive. Every other one says go or start. You know, make it nice and simple, for goodness sake. So that's how you set the sat nav anyway.